Joshua Bwambare hari chairperson wa UNATO omugambaho n'abanyamakuru yaragira abakuru b'amashomero n'abashomesa obutakigeza bakazo mu mashomero arikushobora ngo arahinde ekiragiro cya union yabo na Jacques Kareba abo kuba akachiko kabo ak'ebyemicwene keja kumukwatamo.
Members must remain at home. This is a peaceful industrial action and therefore no teacher should get involved in any public protests and demonstrations. Guideline number 2, district, municipal, city education officers are requested to ensure the safety of children, our children in fact, and our schools, and they should report the status of those institutions to relevant authorities since head teachers will not be in schools.
Joshua yagaruka yashaba abebyo kwerinda ngo batakayitasya mu nshonga zabo.
I request all our security personnel, the office of the RDC, the office of the town clerk, the principal education officer, the members of the inspectorate department, members of PTA, the school management committee, board of governors, civil society organizations, the cultural leadership. Let us pray for the day and give teachers a smooth process of demonstrating, striking peacefully.
Bwanyuma y'ebyonzu kwa Josepho ari mukuru w'ishomero area Kasese Secondary School yaireko kwerarcherwa ahabwa kesharingaka bwanyuma yabeje ababizire okwega ombwinji okushanga hatariho mushomesa n'omwe owokubashomesa.
Term 3, our students have started reporting, but I'm also happy to report that also the teachers and other members of staff reported as we had planned from last term. We had our meeting, and you know that last term had some bit of interruptions. In education, we have what we call the unions, which have their rights to address, especially when it comes to issues, if there's any issue.
Nzukwa ayabataka tunjire kumanyisibwa kuona ninga ebaruha erukuruga kibiina ekyaba UNATO abukwatirine nebi yahabura abateira hakesharingo okumaraho akazigizigaka.
So my prayer is that UNATO brings together the teachers as well, and UNATO has the right to request that the same process, the same legal process of sitting together on a round table be expedited.
Abashomesa ba atsi ahansi y'ekibiina kyabo ekya UNATO basharamu okukwasa ahansi ebikwatwa byabo okwisya obugavumenti erakorera hanshonga zabo. Ogu n'omurundi gwa kabiri barikuteeka hakesharingaka omwaka ogu gashakwa alineitwe Godwin Bwambare omuri Kasese.